MeghalayaPost.news.
Our school is in a very rural place, a remote area, but that one feeling was there that I have put each and every school that Savio Higher Secondary School is also there, that we can compete even if though we belong from rural areas. We can prove that I have proved that we can compete with other schools which have very high profile in the society.
Hadian bakawai ke khana school jangka Savio Higher Secondary School baridua kalawan ra ya kanam job hag state seminar kebrang sulong chen hanong ba sulong halor kapang ke jingdan kam ya ka artificial intelligence AI kerkum ke juk start ba menta kane ke khana ke bakrteng ke sanjana ar mara kan sele ban mi khmat pat ya ke jela Meghalaya sha Mumbai hak ka khat phra tarik banai ban wan na ke benta ke national level ke bde ke ju hi kapang keman pentip ba kane ke samla sanjana ar mara ke basong hak class 10 ha Skul Savio Higher Secondary School baridua mat kebaderu ka khon basan jong urubat san CH marak kebade na kasnong jorpul kiling ribai district bat kala yola ru banaj mi khmat ya ke jela Meghalaya na ketika school kedai hadim bakal apnliam ya ki khanyo tli kibai pat ki school belawan mensyamata hakenika kerdan state level halor kene ke jingyo le mi khmat kene ke samla sha Mumbai kebade halor ke jingdan kam ya ka artificial intelligence kebala penan kam hakene ke juk start bomenta la yo ru banyak keren bakene ke samla sanjana arbarak banyak keren syapang ka AI hakaba kalong bangi kiba puli ngidan kam bantip syapang ka AI ada pinang wan penan kam hong eka kanjarap bah hakapuli puti hakum kene ke juk start bomenta
किसी है कि मेरा ये टीचर ये सर और ये सिस्टर लोग मेरा बेटी को ऐसा बनाए हैं इसलिए हमें बहुत खुशी जाके वहाँ भी ऐसा करके आ सकता तो हम के लिए सिस्टर का स्कूल के लिए भी और मेरा बेटी के लिए भी अच्छा हो सकता है बोल के चाहता हूँ वो पढ़ाई में वो तो बहुत अच्छा है पढ़ाई करता है अपना किसी वजह से वो कहीं भी चलने वाला जाने वाला नहीं है पापा माई का बात सुन के पढ़ाई करेगा और जहाँ जाना है तो हम बिना पूछे वो कहीं भी नहीं जाता पढ़ाई का काम नहीं करता है
Seminar, I would say it is like an opportunity for the students to know important things that is going on in the society now. Like for example, AI, many of the students, they don't know about it. But using this kind of seminar, students get a platform to learn about the topic and also develop themselves, become better, and then like to give their idea, express their idea, and to learn about the topic so that they can help other students or other peer mates in the society. Actually, Sanjana, I'll say I'm very lucky to have her with me. So where I guided her in this presentation. First of all, she was very confident. All I had to do was like polish a diamond. She is already a diamond. I was just polishing it. So I'm lucky to have her with us. I'm lucky to have her in the school. And I'm very happy that she'll be now representing our state Meghalaya at the national level. Actually, my feeling, I did not expect or I did not, my intention was not to get the first position. My intention was to learn through this seminar, and I think we have learned a lot. Both of us during this journey we have learned a lot, and I think as a teacher now I can express whatever I have learned to my students, to my fellow teachers who are along with me, because this AI, the topic of AI is very important in our society now.
Before I knew about AI when I participated in the district level, and when I heard about the topic AI, I was willing to participate in that state level. So, as we know that AI is now a trending topic, and I wanted to know more about it, and as I participated in the district level, I got qualified for a state level, and now I'm going for national level to represent my state Meghalaya and Savio Higher Secondary School. I had a great feeling because this is my first time representing Meghalaya and my school in national level, so it's a very great opportunity for me. Thank you. We do not know that if AI is good or bad, because it depends on us how we use it, and it helps in our education many things for as we are a student. So we should equip ourselves with the knowledge of AI as much as possible, because in the coming generation in the future we do not know that what is its effect on human beings. So before any problem arises, we should equip ourselves with the knowledge of AI as we are students. It was him, my teacher, Sir Hamida, who guided me from the district level till the state, and also he is going to help me with some research on national level. Research about my presentation, so that I have to be more clear about what is in my presentation. I have to know that each and every details in it, and also the things which I should know about AI. I have to research about that. So he is going to help me with that. It was a very great feeling that because that was my first time winning. So as we have seen that our school is in a very rural place, a remote area, but that one feeling was there that I have proved each and every school that Savio Higher Secondary School is also there, that we can compete even if though we belong from rural areas. We can prove that, I have proved that we can compete with other schools which have very high profile in the society.
meghalayapost.news